In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix we can't activate Windows on this device as we can't connect to your organization activation. First method is using command prompt. Search for command prompt in the search menu. Right-click on it and then select Run as an administrator. Copy the commands provided in the description below and paste them into the command prompt window. Press Enter after each command. slmgr/ipk and your product key, and then slmgr/ato. After executing the commands, restart your computer to apply the changes. The second method is to troubleshoot activation issues. Go to Settings, Update and Security, and then Activation. Click on Troubleshoot and follow the on-screen instructions. Be patient as this process may take some time. Ensure you are connected to the network required for activation. And if the problem persists, make sure your Windows version is up to date and check for any network issues or firewalls that may be blocking the activation server. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.